Good morning, guys. So, today we are making cake pops. I'm making both vanilla and chocolate. The recipe seems to be pretty simple. I searched vanilla cake pops on Pinterest, but it's pretty much just like using vanilla cake and vanilla frosting and then dipping it in chocolate. Like melted chocolate, different colors, whatever. Um, so pretty much all you have to do is like follow the recipe that's like on the back of the cake box that you purchased, and make the cake that way. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna show you that step because I'm assuming that every single like box cake is going to be slightly different, so I don't think it's like necessary if I like show you what I'm doing, assuming that like maybe your cake box will be different. Um, this recipe asks for like Pillsbury cake boxes, but they didn't have vanilla or just like regular chocolate at like my ShopRite, so I just bought the Betty Crocker ones. So I'm gonna make both of them right now, and then I'll be back. An update. We are making progress. The cake is in the oven for about another 14 minutes. So that is what I'm waiting on right now. So as you can see, I just took out the vanilla cake out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit. Then after it's done cooling, I'm gonna like, on the website it said to like cut it into 4 and then peel off that like top layer that's like a little bit crunchy, as well as like the sides so they don't make the cake pops dry. So I'm just gonna leave it here for a little bit. The chocolate cake is still in the oven. So I just took out the chocolate one as well. So now I'm gonna wait for both of them to cool down as I finish doing the dishes. And then after that, I don't think you need to cut the top off the brown chocolate one. I don't know. Okay, so I just finished cutting off the majority of like the top and the side of the regular vanilla cake. I'm gonna put the knife in the sink now because I don't think I need it for anything else. So now it says to crumble it up with your hands. So I am about to do that, I guess. I feel weird. And I also don't understand why this woman, this like blog that I was on, like said to cut it into fourths. Doesn't make sense to me, but whatever. And also, if I was peeling away the brown outside of the cake, wouldn't I have to do the bottom too? Just a question, you know? So now the next thing you need is frosting. I did not make my own, I just bought one. This is Duncan Hines, even though the cake is Betty Crocker. Is it like mixing Adidas and Nike? Does that like relate to baking? So now you need to put 2 tablespoons of frosting into the crumbled cake mix and mix together with a spoon on your hands, or your hands. I'm gonna do it with a spoon because I don't want frosting everywhere. And also, I'm not gonna actually measure out 2 tablespoons because I know for a fact that you're supposed to like use a lot of frosting in order for the cake to actually be like soft in the center of it. So like I know that that's already a lot, but let me just add another one. Just eyeballing it here. You feel me? That's never a good thing for me to do. I feel like that never goes well whenever I eyeball things. My friend, like one of my best friends in high school, her name is Tabria. Shout out to you if you're watching. She used to make cake pops and sell them for $1 each. And she like refused to tell anyone like how she made them. But I do remember distinctively hearing her say that you need to add like a lot of frosting, and that's how like the cake gets like moist. I hate that word. That's how like the cake is like really, really soft on the inside of the cake pops. So I'm gonna listen to Tabria and not this website and add a lot more frosting into the mixture. This is like the second recipe that I've made because it reminds me of someone. I'm just so cute.
Oh my god, he's so cute. So cute. So cute.
So I have like almost the entire tub of frosting in here, like not even gonna try to lie to you, because I want it to taste like really sweet, and I feel like the vanilla cake mixture just was not that sweet. I think I got it in there pretty well, if I do say so myself. I think I need to take out a cookie sheet so then I could start putting them on there. So, like, every single recipe that I found yesterday said to use, like, a cake mold, or, like, a cake pop mold. But, I couldn't find it at AC Moore or ShopRite. It said that they sold it at Walmart, but I just didn't have enough time to go there. So, I'm just gonna do it by hand. Okay, so now that I have made my cake and frosting mixture for both the vanilla and the chocolate, which is right over here because that's the one I'm going to start with, I'm going to take a little tablespoon and scoop it out and then form it with my hands to make little balls and put them right on a cookie sheet. So, the way that I usually film, oh no, one moment please. I think that made it worse. Anyway, the way that I usually film, like, the looking down portions of the video is that I, like, put my phone inside of my cupboard with the camera facing down, and then I put a cup on top of it to stabilize it and make sure that it stays. But I got a text message with, like, my vibrate on, and it just fell, and that happened on top of the balls that I was creating. So now I need to redo them, which is not fun. Ugh. So I just finished forming the balls to create the cake pops, and I just melted some chocolate morsels inside of this little cup thing, and I'm going to dip the lollipop sticks inside of it and then put them inside of here. So give me 1 second to open this and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I am done putting all the sticks inside of here, I'm going to put these in the freezer for 20 minutes so then they freeze, and when I take them out, then I will be dipping them in chocolate. Okay, so now that the cake pops are out of the freezer, you have to dip them. I thought I had blue chocolate all over my face. Now you have to dip them inside of chocolate. The easiest way it says to do it on the blog is to get a long cup and then just dip them in and then stick them on foil so then it hardens easily. Sorry, foam. So then it hardens easily. I guess I'll attempt to put you guys in my cupboard again. Hey guys, so it is much later now. I finished class, took a shower when I got home, and all that, so now I'm gonna actually try a cake pop. On the chocolate ones, I put blue chocolate that I, like, dipped into it, and then on the vanilla ones, I got my brother and his friend to help me put pink chocolate on top of it. So yeah, so now, sorry, I just finished eating dinner. These just came out of the fridge. They're a little cold. They taste good though. Not as good as Tabria's, but it's fine. My eyebrows look so good. Wow. Wow. Oh. Okay, so that was really good. Oh my god. I guess I just shouldn't eat things with chocolate in them because it always gets up on my teeth. Excuse me. Thank you guys again for watching. Really appreciate it. This is like the last blog I have to post for my class. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually continue this or not. But yeah, I'll figure it out. Thank you for watching!